Hello there, subscribers, and welcome back to a new episode of Sephiroth and Sypha's channel. Today we have BARYONYX. We have the Hammond collection. This is the latest one, and we also have the Dino Rivals, the classic one. And we will compare to the new Epic Attack BARYONYX. It's humongous. It is the biggest BARYONYX ever, guys. Compared to the Hammond collection, look at that. I wasn't expecting this. We got this like 2 days ago. I was just so shocked about the size. Like, whoa, this is the biggest BARYONYX ever. So this one the classic one has a button here. That's the feature of this guy. It has a large mouth just hanging in there. The classic green one from Dino Rivals. This is like from 2018, I believe. And we have the Hammond collection. This came out 2022, I believe. So it's been 2 years now. This one has no features, no sound, but it has a lot of articulation in it. It is a Hammond collection. Really nice color here. There you go. Plenty of articulation. Now we will go to the Epic Attack. The best BARYONYX ever. It has a pretty good size. Has some sounds here. You push this button. It has 3 levels of intensifying damage. Wait. There you go. The neck twists and there's a light on the neck. And there's another one. You push it again. It's a double. Different sound. And there's the DNA scan right here. Yeah. Now we're gonna check the box. It says a chump back right here. It chumps back. This is a Walmart exclusive. You can find this on Target. There you go. That's multiple activation areas. So here's what we don't have yet: the Pyroraptor and the Herrerasaurus. Both are Walmart exclusives. We're gonna check this out in the store, maybe next few days. But for now, I'm gonna check this BARYONYX. We're gonna open it up. So while I'm opening this, I'd like to say thank you for the non-stop support. Don't forget to click that like and subscribe button. Yeah, alright. Now he's out. Look at that, compared to this, guys. It's almost like a T-Rex. Yep, the biggest BARYONYX. Pretty sweet. They got the hands right for catching the fish. Look at that. Same. Nice color right there. Has like a mint green below its eyes. There you go. However, the tail has no articulation. You can't really move it. It's just hard like this. You can't twist the arm. The legs can't be moved here. The neck. It's just definitely... It's not even straight. It's just... You can't. So let's push the button again. Sound. The twisting moves. There you go. It chumps. There you go. It doesn't... Oh, okay. There you go. So, there you go. You have to open it all the way. Nice teeth right there. You can see it's another layer compared to the Hammond collection. It's just right here. It's still part of the head, I guess, the snout. But this one's totally different. Much better. Like, feels real. It's soft and sharp. Alright. So yeah. There you go, guys. Once again, let's not forget to click that like and subscribe button. Thank you so much, guys. You guys have a great weekend. We'll see you again in the next video. Have a good one.